I finally got my first ever barrel. And then not long after that, I got another barrel. Man, I'm psyched. So last week, actually the last 3 weeks, we had really small swell, but yesterday was like way bigger. There's still some waves around, but it's low tide now and you won't be able to surf low tide because it's too shallow. But yesterday I woke up at 4 AM for high tide to come and surf over here for sunrise. And there was only 2 guys out. It was the perfect day. The wind was right, the waves were big. It was like I was destined to get the barrel. It was like it's meant to be, man. So for a surfer, getting a barrel is like the ultimate goal. It's like the holy grail of surfing. Getting a barrel is like what every surfer wishes for. And I've been surfing for about 12 years now, and I've never got barreled until yesterday. But that doesn't mean I didn't get close. So today I'm vlogging on this gimbal, which is supposed to make the footage like stable and stuff. I've never really used it because it's such a hassle to set up. I have used it to shoot footage, but this is my first time actually vlogging with it. So let me know what you think in the comments and if you see like a difference. And just as I was finished saying that, the battery of this gimbal died. So the rest of this vlog will be shot on a tripod. Now it wasn't a really long barrel, it was like just a few split seconds, but like I said, this was my first barrel and it got me very excited. So while I was paddling out, I was getting like this anxiety of how big the waves are. I haven't surfed big waves in a few weeks, you know, it was really small. I can still remember like on one of the first waves I tried to drop in. It was like very steep and I just looked down and I saw like, whoa. Anyway, here's the video of my barrel. Yeah, I popped up and I dropped in. It wasn't too steep, but I'm doing a bottom turn. The waves were really glassy, by the way, and you can see there it's already peeling over, but it's closing out, so I'm just trying to get around that point. And over here you can see where I'm seeing the section, so then I like pumped with my hand into the wave to get me ahead, and it just started peeling over me. I could remember seeing the wave over here, but over here on the GoPro it's such a wide angle, that's why it doesn't really look like it. But like I said, it was a really short ride, so I immediately just popped out. Woo! And there I'm celebrating. You could just see the stoke, you know. And then I jumped off. I was surfing for like 12 or 13 years. It wasn't exactly surfing like every day for 12 years. Some days I went like a few months without surfing. Some days I was surfing every weekend. Some days I was surfing like maybe 3 or 4 times a week. It's been like on and off, but I've been feeling self-conscious because I never got in a barrel. But now I realize it was actually just not getting waves that were barreling. I was always surfing waves that were a little bit lazy. Sometimes you get like steep waves. Sometimes the waves are just lazy and flatter, you know. Those waves are better for like longboarding or whatever, but if you want to get barreled, you want to get one of those steep waves where the waves like a solid wall in front of you. I know it was a really small barrel, it was very short. Luckily I got 2. The second one was a little bit smaller and I like broke out of the wave. Just check this. So over here you can see me surfing the wave, and as the barrel comes, the water like comes over and it hits the camera down. So you can see over here, I'm still surfing, and there I'm done surfing. So I went into the barrel and the wave knocked me down, so I missed that on the GoPro. But luckily someone got me from the beach. So here's some footage from the beach. You see what I mean? It's a little bit small, but got barrel, bro. Anyway, here's some more footage from yesterday morning. That's the end of this video. Hit that like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. September swell is coming soon, so stay tuned for a lot more barrels. So I guess I'll see you in the next one.